Hi all, sorry about the reflection. This is the broken iPad that eventually I got all the parts and I've succeeded to replace the battery, and now it is already connected, and you need to do it just after you plug the LCD because it can burn. And I put tape all over the side, and this is very fragile and it's not simple to do it, so I would say it's complicated. And you have 3 flat cables here, it's hard to see, 3 flat cable here down that are all connected below the metal case that I've already assembled. And now is the real test before closing everything. I want to see that it power up. This will be the first iPad that I could fix, hopefully, and not break. And you can see the Apple logo. So it looks like it is working. And I will close everything, and hopefully after putting the glue, I will declare as a fix that I could eventually do myself. Yeah, it looks okay. Now I will close and do the sticking of the LCD, and then we'll see again. Yeah, okay, so now everything is glued on all the sides, and haha, first time in my life, first time. Do you see it? Works perfectly. First time in my life. After breaking 2 iPad, the 3 is a fix. You see, this is working. So that's all. Thank you and bye.